Based on the already generously equipped Navara ST Dual Cab 4x4 Automatic, the Black Edition, limited to 400 vehicles, builds on that model's extensive equipment list with blacked-out features, including the fitment of the 17-inch gloss black alloy wheels, complete with Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain tires. The style upgrades don't end there, with a single-tube black sports bar replacing the chrome bar in the ST, and joining the new black door handles, mirror caps, tub liner, and Black Edition door and tub decals. The ST Black Edition features a dark front end, with the fitment of a matte black front grille surround. The Black Edition will come in two standard colors, solid white and black star, with premium paint colors Twilight Gray and Brilliant Silver available for additional cost $700. Darkened style meets real substance in the Black Edition, with the fitment of a new Nissan Genuine Accessory soft tonneau cover included, or, for an extra cost of just $500 fitted, the option to upgrade to the Australian-made and engineered HSP electric roll-top cover and HSP rear tailgate central locking. This fully automatic cover works in tandem with the HSP rear tailgate central locking, allowing customers to retract or cover the tub automatically at the push of a button via the HSP mobile app or the Navara's key fob for customers who opt for the HSP electric roll-top cover and HSP rear tailgate central locking. The Black Edition package offers $9,700 fitted in value, but for an increased cost of just $5,500 over of the Navara ST Dual Cab 4x4 Automatic.